Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 5th, and we're going to be analyzing Bitcoin starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, as you can see, this move down was very strong. It looks like a trend to me. That is definitely a trend. I don't think that is a correction. If that right there is a trend, that means this move up is most likely a correction to this move down. Most likely, if that's true, then that means that we're only in a wave A right now. We're probably going to make a corrective wave B, and we'll probably eventually go up and make a C. Probably go up to a Fibonacci level of this move down, and then I still think that we're going to have at least one more push to the downside, maybe to the 78 or even the 88% Fibonacci retracement. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we do have three waves so far, so if it does turn down very impulsively, I would consider that the end of a correction, and I would definitely go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But like I was saying, it looks more like we're probably in a wave A right now, which is probably going to look something like this. Then we'll probably go down, make a correction to that for the B, and maybe back up for the wave C. I think this 50% area is a very likely area, especially with all this support back here, before it actually ends up continuing back down. So that would put us all the way up to about $42,000. So let's head down to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, like I said, this move up is either a wave C or a wave 3. We really don't have any way of actually knowing that right now. Yeah, I think it's possibly going to be a wave 3 of A, but if the market tells us otherwise by making an impulsive move down, by taking out structure, that right there, that picture right there will tell me that this really is a wave C and that we need to start looking for shorts in a downtrend. On the other hand, if it really is a wave 3, which I'm starting to think it is, then this will never take out any of this structure. It will just keep making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, and this will most likely be a 1, 2, and a wave 3. So we just got to pay attention to our structure and pay attention to price, and we should be able to tell what is coming next. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely see like a five-way pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But we definitely have not taken out the wave 4 structure yet. If it does take out that wave 4 structure, it's going to tell me it's a wave C, and then we should be looking for shorts. If it doesn't take out that wave 4 structure and keeps making higher lows, keeps on going up, then I'm just going to continue to look for longs in an uptrend, because as of now, I would only be looking for longs anyways, at least until this wave 4 starts to breaks. And if it never breaks, it doesn't really matter to me anyways, because I would be looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of these ABC pullbacks anyways. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci measuring this move up. If this right here turns out to be a correction, then we should better recognize it by seeing like a corrective pattern down, probably bouncing off one of these fib levels and making an impulsive move up. So if I see that picture right there, I'm definitely going to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it starts making very impulsive moves down and takes out this low of wave 4, then I will stop looking for longs and I'll start looking for shorts in a downtrend. So we definitely have a couple options, but like I said, if we pay attention to our structure and pay attention to price, we should be able to have a pretty good idea of what's going to happen next. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.